Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and my Facebook page. How are you? I hope all is well. Today I'm going to show you a face mask adapter. This is really beautiful and so cute. I hope you will like this tutorial and you can make very easily. I have a crochet shop, Etsy shop. My Etsy shop name is Mom and Dad Crochet. Today video is collaboration video. We 3 channel make this collaboration. 2 collaboration video link will my description box below. Please see their video and subscribe our channel. The channel name is Aki Creation and Lubna Kodir. So let's get started. First I need this kind of tools, scissor, hook and needle. Now I'm making 3 chain and 2 double crochet together. 2 double crochet. Now I'll do together and then 3 chain and 1 double crochet in the first chain stitch. Now you can see over here, make a space. 3 chain again and 2 double crochet together. 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet. Now together and 3 chain. Now 1 double crochet in the first chain stitch. So you can see how it look. So I just maintaining the same stitch until finish this line. I finish this line. Now 4 chain. 4 chain. Now 3 double crochet together in this space. 3 double crochet. Now together. Now 6 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now again 3 double crochet together. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet and 3 double crochet. Now together. Now again 3 double crochet together in the next space. Next space I make 3 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet and 3 double crochet. Now together. Now 6 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now 3 double crochet together. So it's how it's look. Now I'll do only 4 chain, 2, 3, 4. 4 chain and 1 slip stitch. So this side is complete. Now I'll do another side. So again 4 chain, 2, 3 and 4. Now 3 double crochet together. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet and 3 double crochet. Now together. Now 6 chain and 3 double crochet together. Now 3 double crochet together in this space. Now together and 6 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now 3 double crochet together. 1 2 and 3 double crochet now together. Now the next space 3 double crochet. 1 2 and 3 double crochet now together, and 6 chain. So you can see now it's making flower. So beautiful, so pretty. I almost done this side. Now 4 chain and 1 slip stitch. Now 4 single crochet. 1 2 3 and 4. The next space will be 5 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 and 5. And the next space will be 5 single crochet. So look is how beautiful it is. Now looks more beautiful and more sharp. So I'm done in this part. Now I put 2 bottom and 4 purl in the middle of flower. I am joining this purl by hand stitch. This bottom is really beautiful. You can see the hole. I'm done. This is the final look. You can see it's so beautiful, so pretty. I love it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like my video and you can make this very easily. So please subscribe my channel and click the bell button. And if you're already subscribed my channel, thank you so much. Bye.